Okay, boys and girls, we are here on Unit 1, Week 3, Day 4, and our daily edit sentences. So today we're going to edit and write each sentence correctly, then circle the subject and underline the predicate. Remember, the subject is who or what is doing something in a sentence, and the predicate is what the who or what is doing. So number 1, the twin loves that bear. Fix it up. Number 2, Stan did not feel the breeze. Fix it up. Now we've got our daily math review. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You should know what to do on those. Number 6, you're going to circle the equations whose sums are even. So I'm going to give you a little hint for doing these. Solve them. Solve the problems first. Then go back and circle the equations or the number sentences that have sums or answers that are even. On number 7, you're going to write how many 10s and how many 1s and what does that equal. And so remember, they're just using 10 frames here on this one instead of the 10s and that you're used to seeing for base 10. Write less than, greater than, or equal to in the space to compare the numbers. So normally you guys write the numbers. In this case, they've actually given you the numbers already and they've shown them with base 10 blocks. And then number 9, draw hands on the clock to show 7:30. So instead of the hands being there for you, you have to draw the hands today. All right, let's check it from the top. Number 1, the twin loves that bear. The twin loves that bear. So we're going to capitalize the T on the twin loves that bear. We need a period at the end. Then we're going to rewrite it. Okay, we've rewritten number 1. We'll go back and circle the subject and the predicate after we do number 2. Stan did not feel the breeze. Stan is a name, and it's also the beginning of the sentence, so it's got to be capitalized. Stan did not feel the breeze. Breeze. I hear a Z at the end, so B-R. The E-E is making the E, long E sound. And then we have a Z, E, and then we need a period at the end. We're going to rewrite number 2. We've rewritten number 2, so we're going to go back and circle subjects and underline predicates. So the twin loves that bear. The sentence is about the twin, and loves that bear is our predicate. Stan did not feel the breeze. Who or what did not feel the breeze? Stan. The predicate is did not feel the breeze. Move down to the daily math review. I'm going to give you the answers for the math review. Go ahead and check your daily math review. Number 6, circle the equations whose sums are even. So like I said, you want to solve these first. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 0 plus 8 equals 8. So now we're going to circle the ones whose sums are even. So this one, this one, this one, and that one should be circled. Here we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that means we have 5 10s, right? And then we have 8, right? Because there's 2 missing out of that 10 frame, so 8 1s. So 5 10s and 8 1s is 58. Now we got number 8, right? Less than, greater than, or equal to in the space to compare the numbers. Okay, so a good way to do this for you guys is to start with the biggest part of the number, so the hundreds. So we got 100, we've got 200s, right? So that already tells me this one's bigger because there's 200s. So 145 is less than 253. Draw hands on the clock to show 7:30. So 7 is my hour and 30. So I'm going to start with that 30 because I know 30 points straight down. I know that's not very straight. Let me try that again. It's better. Okay, and then because it's 7:30, that means the hour hand has to be between the 7 and the 8. And mine isn't so good. Hold on. I can do this. There. Now it's between the 7 and the 8. So your hour hand has to be between the 7 and the 8 because it's halfway, because the minute hand is halfway around our clock. All right, head over to your reading street assignment.